Hi students, morning to all. Welcome to our maths class grade 11. Last 4 classes I teach about chapter number 1 sets. Already exercise number 1, 2 are completed. Today exercise number 3 subsets. Last class we have discussed about subsets. Subset is very important concept. Definition of subset. A set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of A is also an element of B. If every element of A is also an element of B. That is denoted as A is subset B. A is subset B. Listen students. Chapter number 1 sets. Exercise number 1.3. Concept subsets. Okay, listen. Example number 9. Listen. Consider the sets. Example 9. Consider the sets. Pi. Pi is empty sets. A is 1, 3. And B is elements 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9. And C as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so listen. Insert the symbol subset or not a subset. Not a subset. The following per subsets. Following pairs of sets. Okay, listen. So first question. Pi and B. And second question. A and B. Third pair. A and C. Fourth one. B and C. B and C. Okay, listen. So using the two symbols, subset or not a subset. You know the subset. Subset, what is subset? A subset means first set of all elements in first set as also belongs to in second set. Okay, right? Listen. So first set, empty set. You know that our note empty set is always a subset of every set. Empty set is always a subset of every set. Okay, so here empty set is subset of B. I am saying empty set is subset of B. This is really one. Next, second, A and B are given by the set A and B. So compare the two sets A and B. Listen. A has two elements 1 and 3. Has two elements 1 and 3. But B has three elements 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9. Right. Listen. So 1 is belongs to A. 3 is belongs to A. But 3 not belongs to in B. 1 is belongs to A and B also. But 3 is not belongs to B. And 5 is not belongs to A, 9 is not belongs to A. Listen students, here A is subset of B. A is subset of B. So by 5 and 9 is not belongs to A, it is not a matter. But 3 is not belongs to here. 3 belongs to A, but 3 does not belongs to B. 3 does not belongs to B. So A does not contain in B. So A is not a subset of B. A is not a subset of B. Okay, right? Listen. Next, third one concept. Given pairs A and C. The set A and C. Okay, the set A has two elements 1 and 3, but C has 5 elements. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Listen students, here elements in A as 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is belongs to A, and also same 1 and 3 is belongs to in C. So all element in A is belongs to in C. So therefore the set A is contained in C. Therefore the set A is subset of C. Subset of C. Implies here 1 and 3 is belongs to C. So the all element set A is belongs to in C. So therefore the set A is contained in C. Therefore set A is subset of C. Okay, right. Next last one part, B and C. Given information B and C. Listen, B has 3 elements 1, 5, 9. Okay, right. And also say that the element 1, 5, 9 is also belongs to C. 1, 5, 9. So all element in B 1, 5, 9 is also belongs to in the set C. So therefore the set B is subset of C. The set B is subset of C. The set B is contained in the set C. So the set B is subset of C. Here the element 1, 5, 9 is belongs to C. So 1, 5, 9 are elements of B. So the elements of B are all belongs to in C. Therefore the set B is contained in C. That set B is subset of C. Okay, va? Very simple question and easiest one. Okay, va? Right. Let's listen. Next example number 10. Listen. Example number 10. Let's A equal to A, E, I, O, U. Vowels, English alphabet letter, and B equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, listen. Is A subset of B? Answer is no. Why? What is the reason? A is not a subset of B. And second one is B is a subset of A, and you given answer no. So B is not a subset of A. B is subset of A is not correct. So B is not a subset is correct. So what is the reason for B is subset of A? B is not a subset and A is not a subset of B. Okay, listen. Given two states, compare the two states. A has 5 elements A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And B has 4 elements A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So first one is A is set A is subset of B. Yes, answer is no. What is the reason? A is a not subset, so therefore answer A is not subset B. Not subset B. Why is that? Here A has 5 elements A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And to know that the subset A is subset of B means all elements in A is also a belongs to in B. But here A is belongs to B, but E is not belongs to B. I is not belongs to B. O is not belongs to B. U is not belongs to B. So only one A only belongs to A and B. Two sets, both sets. But remaining elements here E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U is belongs to A, but E, I, O, U is not belongs to in B. Here A only belongs to B. But the subset concept, all element in A are all belongs to in B, but here A is only one belongs to A and B. Other elements E, I, O, U are all belongs to A only, but E, I, O, U is not belongs to B. So therefore A is not a subset of B. A is not a subset of B. Okay, right. Next, second one question is B is a subset of E. If I say B is subset of A, answer is given no. What is the reason? Why? Same concept here. B is subset of, if the set B is subset of A, mean all elements in B is also belongs to the set A. So all elements in B are all contained in the set A. But here A belongs to both A and B. Same. A belongs to B and A belongs to A. But B, C, D, here B, C, D is not belongs to in the set A. So therefore, set B is not subset of A. This is incorrect. First one, A is not subset B, and second one, B is not subset A. Okay, so this is correct. Right. Next question. Question number 11. So listen, students. Question number 11 is very important question. Listen carefully. Example number 11. Given, let A and B and C or with three sets. Okay, right. If A is belongs to B, if A is belongs to B and B is contained in C, is it true that A is subset of C? Is B a subset of A? Sorry, if not, give an example. If you answer that one question. Give an example. Okay, right. Very important question. Okay, listen carefully.
Listen, friends. Given three sets A, B, and C. If A is belongs to B and B is subset of C, is it true that A is subset of C? A given question: is it true that A is subset C? Right. Listen. Solution. It is not true. A subset of C. A subset of C is not true. That means a given statement, is it true that A subset C? Answer no. Okay, right. Why sir? A given example. Let A equal to 1, B equal to the set 1 and 2, C equal to set C equal to set 1, 2, 3. Listen students, I give information A is belongs to B. Listen, the set A is 1 and the set 1 is belongs to B. So given A is belongs to B, that means the set 1 is belongs to B. Okay, right. And also B is subset of C. And another information, B is subset of C. B is subset of C. Okay, right. Listen students, here B is subset of C. Why is that? Here the element of B as the set 1 and 2. The set 1 is belongs to C and 2 is also belongs to C. So B is subset of C is correct. But here A subset of C is not true. Listen students, here the element A, element 1 is belongs to A. Element 1 is belongs to the set A. But the element 1 not belongs to B and not belongs to C. Not belongs to C. The element 1 is belongs to A, but the element 1 is not belongs to B and 1 is not belongs to C. Listen students, here set 1 is belongs to B. That means the set A, the whole set A is belongs to B and whole set A is belongs to C. But the element 1 is belongs to A only, but 1 is not belongs to B and C. Given A subset C. Listen students, 1 is belongs to A, but 1 not belongs to C. You know that the subset concept, all element in A is an element of an element of the set C. Then A is subset of C. But here 1 is not belongs to C, therefore A not subset of C. Okay, A is subset of C is not true, therefore the true answer A is not subset of C. Okay, and one more note. Then note that an element of a set can never be a subset itself. Can never be a subset itself. This is one example. Note that an element of a set can never be a subset of itself. Okay, right. Very, very important question. 11th question, 2 more questions. Okay, right. So listen. Next, the subset of set of real numbers. The subset of set of real numbers. So listen students. Already first class I teach number system, basic number system, and almost the same subset of the number systems. Listen, and also again I teach the number system and its subset of set of all real numbers. So listen, n, you know that n, capital N is set of all real numbers, set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers mean 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, etc. And is it W, whole number, set of all whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, etc. And is integer, set of all integers. Integers means the set negative numbers, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, etc. Okay. And next Q. Q means a rational number. A rational number. You know the rational numbers concept. X such that The x is equal to p by q. That number x is p by q. Here q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0 type format. All numbers are set of all real numbers. That means, listen, the set of all rational numbers is p by q. Here q is not equal to 0. For example, 5 by 7, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and anyone else. 5 by 7, the denominator value 7 is not equal to 0. And minus 10, here minus 10 is also belongs to q. Minus 10 means, minus 10 is one of a rational number. So minus 10 is written in the form, minus 10 is equal to minus 10 by 1. So 1 is not 0 value. So minus 10 is a rational number. Yeah. So listen students, we compare the three sets. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, etc. W is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, etc. Z is negative number, minus up to minus infinite, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, etc. The rational number, P by Q format all numbers, P by Q format numbers. An irrational number, except not satisfied this form, P by Q format all numbers are a set of all irrational number. That means T. T is irrational number. Okay, irrational number. And real number, a set of all real numbers. The real numbers mean open interval minus infinite, comma plus infinite. In between all numbers. Does not have any numbers listed in the roster form. Does not write in roster form in set of our real numbers. So the set of our real numbers means minus infinite to plus infinite in between all decimal values, all numbers. Okay, including this all numbers. Natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, all this. Simply set of all real number is equal to rational number union irrational number. Rational number plus irrational number is equal to set of all real numbers. Okay, right. Listen, here this element, all element in the set N is always belongs to in the set W. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on, etc. Up to plus infinite. Plus infinite is not a number, that is a simple, not in the set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, etc. Infinite terms are all belongs to the set W. So the set N is subset of W. Subset of W. And W is only subset of integer Z. N is only subset of Z. So all element in N are all an element of set Z, and always all element in W are all an element of Z. So these two sets, N is subset of W and always subset of Z. Okay, so these two sets are subset of Z. And the three sets, N is subset of W and subset of Z, and the subset of Q. Subset of Q. These three sets, set of all natural numbers, set of all whole numbers, set of all integers are all belongs to, all elements in three sets are belongs to in the set Q. So these three sets N, W is set are subset of Q. So simply we write in the form, listen, N is subset of W is subset of Z is subset of rational number. And always these all numbers are subset of real numbers. So of real numbers. And also the irrational number is subset of R. Irrational number is subset of R. Irrational number means root of prime numbers, exponential numbers, 5, and so on, etc. Okay, so irrational numbers are always belongs to a set of all real numbers. So the set irrational number is subset of R. The set natural number is subset of W and subset of Z and subset of Q and subset of R. The set W, natural number and whole number and integer and rational number are all subset of real numbers. Okay, right? Very, very important and simple one concept. Okay, right. But here these numbers, natural number, whole number, integer, and rational number is not not subset in T. That means Q is not subset in T, and N, W, Q, Z is not subset in T. Okay, so T is a special number, irrational number. T is subset of rational number is correct. But this set, natural number, whole number, integer, rational is not subset of T is correct. Okay, so natural number, whole number, rational number is a subset of T is not correct. Okay, right. Listen friends, this is one important note. And T is blank, subset of all. Okay, right. Okay, listen. Next exercise number 1.3. 1.3. First question. Listen students, make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset or not subset in the blank space. Filling the space subset or not subset. Listen, first question. So listen students, first question, first 2, 3, 4, a given set, 2, 3, 4, and another one set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen students, your first set has element 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 elements as a first set. All element in first set are all blank to in second set. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. These are all blank to in second set. So use the simple subsets. This element 2, 3, 4 is always blank to this second set. So this set is subset of the second set. Okay, so first question answer subsets. And second one, second question, A, B, C, first set. And second one says B, C, D. Listen students, using this symbol subset or not subset. First set has 3 elements A, B and C. These 3 elements are not blank to in the second set. Only B and C only blanks to the second set. A is not blank to in second set. So the first set A, B, C is not subset of a second set B, C, D. Here A is not blank to a second set B, C and D. Okay, so the first set is not subset of a second set. So second question is a simple not subset. Third question, listen students, third one question. X such that X is a student of class 11 for your school. And second set, X such that X is student of your school. Student of your school. Right. First say student of in your class. For example, total number of students in your class is 25. Yeah. But your school sent as 500 students. Listen friends, that 20 students in your class are all blank to in our school. So that set first set, a set of all students of class 11 of your school is subset of first set. Third one question answer subset. Why sir? First set as a set of all students in your classroom only, and second set of all students in your school. Your classroom is always blank. Classroom students are all blank to your school. So first set is subset of and second set. Okay, so third one question with a symbol subset. And fourth question, x such that x is a circle in the plane. X is a circle in the plane. And second side, x is a circle in the same plane with radius 1. With radius 1. Listen students, first side, x is a circle in the plane. X is a circle in the plane. But second side, x is a circle in the same plane with radius 1. With radius 1. Okay, well, so first set is not given radius and second set has radius as 1. Okay, well, 1 unit. Listen students. For example, first set. Radius x is a circle in a plane. This is a plane, this is a circle, but it has, radius has 2 newton. Radius has 2. But second set has radius 1. This is one circle. But this set is not subset of this set. So let us consider example. Let us consider one circle and its radius as 2 in first set. That circle is not belongs to in second set. So second set has only one radius circle for me. But first set has generally a set of all circles in a plane. So this is not a subset. So use not subset. This simple one. Okay, right. Next, fifth one. X is a triangle in a plane and x is a rectangle in a plane. The plane. X is a rectangle in the plane. Listen students, x is a triangle in a plane. Rectangle. So rectangle has 2 triangles. So triangle is also belongs to in this rectangle. So is a simple fifth one question is subset. Fifth one question has subsets. Okay, wow. Your book answer. Check your book answer. So book answer is not subset. So not subset. Listen students, why sir? Here, generally it is a triangle. Same concept. It is a triangle in a plane. Different measurement. Triangle in a plane. But second set x is as rectangle in the plane. Rectangle in the plane. This is triangle. This is rectangle. But different measurement. So same is not the same measurement. Different measurement. So this triangle is not belongs to in this rectangle. This triangle and these 2 triangles are different measures. So this triangle is not belongs to in this rectangle. So the set of all triangle is not subset of the set of all rectangle sets. Okay, so fifth one question is not a subset. It's not a subset. Next, sixth one question. Question number 6. Listen students, sorry, 6, not 4, 6. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. And second set, x is a triangle in the same plane. X is a triangle in the same plane. Equilateral triangle. First set, equilateral triangle. And second set has generally set. Okay, generally has set. Listen students, the equilateral triangle is always a one type of triangle. Equilateral triangle is one type of triangle. So equilateral triangle is belongs to a triangle. So first set of all elements are all belongs to in second set. First set has x is an equilateral triangle in a plane. But second set x is a triangle in the same plane. Listen students, equilateral triangle is a one type of triangle. So equilateral triangle is belongs to a triangle. Okay, right. So 6th question is a simple subset. 6th question, subset. X is a equilateral triangle in a plane is subset of x is triangle in a same plane. same plane. Listen, friend, same plane. So subset. Suppose same plane, suppose different plane. Suppose x is a circle in the plane. In the plane. Okay, va? So it's not the subset. Okay, va? Right. Next, seventh question. X such that x is an even natural number and second side x is an integer. It is an integer. Listen, students. Even natural number as elements 2, 4, 6 and so on, etc. So integer. This is an integer. So integer has and so on, etc. minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, etc. So here 2, 4, 6 and so on, etc. all even numbers are all belongs to the integer. So the set of all even natural number is subset of a set of all integer. So seventh question is a simple subset. Seventh question subset. Okay, next is second one question. Examine whether the following statement are true or false. True or false. Listen, students. Second question. Second question. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. First one, A comma B. First say A comma B is not subset of B, C, A. It is false. Why, sir? Here, first is there are two elements A and B. The two elements A and B also belongs to the second set B and A. So it is not true. First statement is not true. That is false. Second one, A comma E. Second one, A, E, first set. And A, E. And subset of X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet letter. So what is the English alphabet letter? Vowel A, E, I, O, U. So listen, here A and E is belongs to the second set. So this is one correct one. So second one is correct. X such that X is a vowel, English alphabet letter means A, E, I, O. Here A and E is belongs to in second set. So this first set is subset of in second set. So this statement is correct. Next third one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is subset of 1, 3, 5. Listen, students. Here 1, 2, 3, but here 1, 3, 5. 2 is missing. 2 is belongs to first set, but 2 is not belongs to in second set. So this statement, third statement is wrong. Here 2 is not belongs to in second set. 1, 3, 5. So this is one wrong. Here wrong statement. Next, fifth one. Listen. Fifth one using the blank to symbol, not subset symbol. The set A is blank to the set A, B, C. This is one wrong answer. Listen. Here the element A is blank to the second set, but this set is not belongs to in the set. Okay, va? Suppose set A is belongs to set A, B, C. This one is correct. This set A is belongs to in second set, but here the set is not belongs to in second set. Okay, va? So this statement, first one is wrong one. Wrong statement. This type of statement is correct. Next. Last one, sixth question. X such that X is an even natural number less than 6. Listen, X is an even natural number. So X is an even natural number 2, 4 only. Less than 6. So 2, 4 only. And subset of X is a natural number which divides 36. So X is a natural number which divides 36 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18, 36. So divide the listen students here. First set has two elements only. X is an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number 2, 4, 6 and so on. But less than 6 means 2, 4 only. So here 2 and 4 is also belongs to the second set. So this is the correct one. So 2, 4. They said even natural number less than 6 is subset of X is a natural number which is divide 36 is correct one. Correct statement. So last statement is correct. So first and third, fourth one triangle, second statement and sixth statement correct. Okay, friends, remaining questions we see next class. Okay, bye. Right?